big as?
Quite possibly it was prison.
In the waistline? And what made you fall in love with music? Was it Madonna by any chance?
Yeah, she's a big impact in my life.
Okay, and do you have any special message for tonight's crowd and your fans?
Well, all my fans think I'm going to make that. I've told myself to they won't be disappointed, and those who don't know them, then I don't normally do this kind of thing.
Emily, do you have any message for tonight's crowd? You say hello? Hello?
Wow, baby.
Can't touch this.
Music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with my two round of people. That's good. You know you're down. I fucking name Michael, you know, and I'm low. And as such, it needs to be can't touch. Can't touch it.
Yeah, that's how we living, and you know.
Can't touch it.
Look at my eyes, man.
Can't touch it.
Let me bust the phone lyrics.
And bands, got like that. What you wanna do? So move out of your seat. Grab a fight gun and catch this keep on going. Hold on, hold on a bit. Know what's going on like that. Like that. Hold on a bit. Pull right back to the nose. Too much. And this is a beat. Can't touch. Can't touch it. Can't touch it.
Yo, sound the bell, school's in something.
Can't touch it. You give me a song.
All rhythm, make no sense. That's what I'm getting now. They know, we talk about the hammer, you talk about a show that's hot and tight. Signal sex, fast and max to the team. To learn, nice to burn the charts. Legit, you might as well quit. That's the word, because you know, can't touch this. Can't touch this. Break it down.
Thank you. Thank you.
Michael, standing ovation, how do you feel?
I think I was Elvis and now I feel Elvis.
Well done, Michael.
Michael! I was a big MC fan, man, in the 80s. I just don't think the public on a trophy. Seriously. I liked you in the 80s, but you were just too annoying, and that's what's gonna happen, seriously. We're gonna hand you over to Ashley again.
I was cheesy, but it was fun. Michael, I think Louis wrong. You were my favourite, and you looked like a case. Thank you,
I can only describe your voice as dancing.
It was a little bit like a chihuahua trying to be a tiger.
Michael, you know, a chicken in an oven and a Sunday dinner. And as far as you can't touch this, I wouldn't want to touch it after what Stephen told me with your wee scene with Madonna. So, but I've got to say, what you lack in vocals, you certainly have in dancing manoeuvres, so I would say that was the best performance of the night.
Michael, must be delighted with that.
Oh, I'm absolutely delighted. I just like to thank my family, my friends, like to thank my brother, but he's the one that put me up to this, so no. But anyway, thank you very much.
Michael Mayer. We go to the next raffle of the evening. Cheryl.